Hi everybody, good Monday morning to you. I am outside in my yard, and actually if you listen you'll be able to hear the robins that are behind me because they're kind of going a little crazy this morning. This week we're going to be starting to talk about plants, and plants are a pretty cool thing when you actually get to look at them and see exactly what it is and how they grow, the parts that they have, why they're so useful, why they need those parts, as well as how beautiful they can be. So I'm outside actually on the side of my house, and I have some tulips that are kind of in some different stages here. The weather's really been kind of cold, so I was really hoping that my tulips would come up and would be okay. So actually I'm going to turn my camera so you can see them. This is kind of an early stage of the tulip. See, all you can really kind of see outside of the soil are the leaves. But as we come down this way, you'll see here are some bigger leaves. Here, this one's starting to get some buds, along with these two right here. But then these are actually already having flowers that are starting to open. So if we take a look, we can see it's kind of already starting to open. So here are some of the very different stages of what you're going to see with a plant as it's growing. But again, this is outside of the soil. So I actually pulled this weed, which we don't want any weeds in our garden, so I was actually happy to find this because here we have, see all those roots? We have lots of roots going on there. You're going to learn about the roots. Those are what hold a plant in place. They also help to feed the plant nutrients and water and things from the soil. And then this part is the part that you would see obviously coming out of the ground. So there we are again with the roots. We have some stems, we have some leaves, and then for certain types of plants, actually if you look, there are buds on here as well. So this plant has everything that it needs and we're able to see it. So I hope that when you go into your Scholastic News today that you learn a little bit more about plants, plant parts, why they're useful, what they do, and how they help a plant. Then you can go on and answer some questions for us, and there also is a challenge activity for this week, an experiment. If you would like to try it, please let your teacher know. Show us some pictures and things of what you might have done and how your experiment turned out. Have fun!